Thanks for joining me. You're watching EpicEats with Janet. My name is Janet Burnett, and I'm an executive consultant with Epicure. Today I will be making General Tso's chicken, and I'm going to be telling you why Epicure's General Tao and all of our meals are better than takeout. But let's get started. Let's look at our ingredients. We will need a quarter cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 pound of chicken that we will cube, a quarter cup of cornstarch, a couple of peppers, and some oil. So the first thing that we're going to do is make the sauce for our General Tao. I'm just taking the quarter cup of water, I'm adding our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and our 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm just going to incorporate that and set that aside for now. And the next thing that we'll do is get our chicken prepped. And to do that, I'm going to use our kitchen shears. These are our Pro Prep kitchen shears. I've used these many times on my shows, and you've probably already seen me use them. They have a nice suede non-slip handle, and they're very sharp, great food grade scissors. And in order to prep our chicken, I'm just going to use these scissors and cut up our chicken into bite-sized chunks. Already. Okay. Next, we are going to take our chicken, toss with some cornstarch, and get them onto the stove in our wok to cook. So here we go. We've got our chicken all chopped up, and we're just going to take our quarter cup of cornstarch and put that right in there, and then toss our chicken just to coat, and then we will be putting it into the wok to cook. I'm using some grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil, whatever oil you want. About 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to heat the oil before I add the chicken. So I'm going to put this on the stove right now. We're just going to heat that oil for a couple of minutes. All right, our oil is all heated, so we're just going to take our chicken over and throw it into the wok. We're going to cook this chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes, just long enough for it to be cooked through. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to get our bell peppers ready. So we're just going to chop these up. Just going to give it a flip. Let them cook nicely on both sides. Another minute or 2 on the chicken and it will be ready. The smaller you cut your chicken, remember, the faster it will cook. Chicken is all done. We're going to grab it off the stove, bring it right over, and we will be transferring our chicken out of the wok into a dish. And now our peppers will go into the wok, a tiny bit of oil. Notice this wonderful cutting mat, totally flexible, so it's very easy to transfer whatever you're chopped or cooked. And now this will go back onto the stove and cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. We've got our peppers cooking, and while they're cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put our General Tao seasoning mix into the sauce that we made earlier. And then we are going to make our rice because we will be having our General Tao over rice. I'll just let that sit right there. Yum. Let's check our peppers. We're going to need another minute or so. To make our rice, we are going to need 2 cups of water and a cup of rice. I am using brown jasmine rice, but you literally can use any kind of rice that you want. You've all seen me use the multi-purpose steamer. It does have a tray that's inside. If you want more information about our steamer or any of our other steamers, you can also head over to my website, which is pictured below, and check out everything. So I'm going to take the tray out and dump our rice in, along with our 2 cups of water. And that is pretty much it. We're going to put the tray back on top, cover her up. Into the microwave it goes for about 10 minutes. Okay, one more step. We're going to grab our peppers. They're all cooked, and we have 2 more things to add to the peppers to finish off this dish. We're going to put our chicken back into the pan, and now we're going to add this lovely sauce that we made earlier. We'll just incorporate that, and we're going to go back onto the stove just to heat through. It should only take about a minute or 2, just long enough to get warm. That looks amazing. While our meal is heating through, I'd like to take a minute to share this awesome comparison of Epicure's General Tao compared to General Tao Takeout. As you can see from the nutrition fact labels on both, ours is much lower in sodium, higher in protein, without any added colors or flavors, and there's no MSG. Looks like everything is done. Let's check it out a little closer. Oh, that looks really yummy. And now, let's check out our rice. Well, let's get this all plated and see how it looks. There you have it. We've made General Tso's chicken better than takeout, and so much better for you, and it only took about 15 minutes. And that's the beauty of Epicure. We make good food real fast. See you next time.